Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule a reoccurring payment within your Commbank account. So first you'll need to log into your bank account. Now once you're in your account, up here where it says here transfers and BPay, scroll down to where it says here transfers and BPay again, click on the first option that appears. Now from here you need to select the account you wish for the payments to come from. So we're going to click on our first option, and then we need to select an account to where we want to transfer that to. So if we're sending this to an external account or if we're doing it to an internal account, you can do all of that here. So I'm going to click on this. I'm just going to click onto my NetBank Saver. So let's say I want an X amount of dollars to go into my savings account every week or month. Now from here where it says reoccurring, we're going to go to tap on that. You're going to put in the amount. You can put in the description if you'd like. Now over here where it says frequency, you can change this to weekly, fortnightly, monthly, etc. So if we're going to do a weekly transfer, we're going to set it to weekly. You can select your start date. So let's say I want this to start from Wednesday of next week. And then you can select an end date. You can do it by number of payments, or you can have no end date. So it just goes indefinite. All right. Once that's been set, you click on next and then accept, and then your recurring payments will be then set up. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.